Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? I just woke up. It's currently 10 minutes to 6. I have a problem. I did sleep, I don't know why, but I didn't. But you know what? It's the new day. Come along. Please like, subscribe. Welcome. Being one of the first people to wake up is crazy business because now I'm just waiting around. My toothbrush is in a different room. My past lab is in a different room. So I'm just waiting for other people to wake up so I can start living. The morning now, I'm catching some vitamin D from the sun. Just defrosting, And yeah, I'm gonna go chill in the house now, maybe watch TV, the works and stuff. Oh, guys. I don't know what's hurting my ear, but something's hurting me. Oh, breathe. Lord. It's so hot. I want to do yoga, but I didn't bring my yoga mat, so I don't know. I guess I won't exercise. I'm eating such big pap. I'm gonna come back to rest fat. So I took a shower. I'm clean now. I haven't forgot I'm vlogging. I legit forgot. I'm now watching the news on TV. And my little brother's making me breakfast. It's currently, what time is it? 10:42. And yeah, I'm thinking of going on a walk after this just to, lose some calories. So I don't know if I'm gonna wear a cap or what on my head, but yeah. fine. I just want some like peace. But there's no peace. Anyways guys, this is the end of the video. I'm gonna go relax now, edit this video, finish it off and relax. If you reach this point, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when tomorrow's video is up. And if you reach this point of the video, say Tato, why did you put food coloring in the pap? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.